Solana ETFs hit $8 million outflow. Break 21-day inflow streak. What's next? ETF. Solana ETF. A $34 million TSOL redemption broke Solana ETF's 21-day inflow streak as capital rotated into XRP and other altcoin ETFs amid rising risk-off sentiment. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, November 27, 2025. Solana's string of uninterrupted ETF inflows came to an abrupt end on Wednesday, as U.S. spot Solana exchange-traded funds recorded $8.1 million in net outflows, according to data from SoSoValue. The outflow marked the first negative session since the products launched earlier this month, and broke a 21-day accumulation streak that had helped position Solana as one of the fastest-growing ETF markets among non-Bitcoin assets. 21 shares TSOL dragged Solana ETFs into red, as Solana ETFs hold nearly $1 billion. The reversal was largely driven by the 21 shares Solana ETF, TSOL, which saw more than $34 million exit the fund in a single session. TSOL has now registered $26 million in total net outflows since launch, with current net assets standing at $86 million. While the sharp pullback from one issuer triggered the broader negative print, other Solana ETFs continued to attract steady capital, absorbing much of the imbalance. The Bitwise Solana Staking ETF, BSOL, led inflows with a $13.33 million intake, bringing its cumulative total to $527.79 million. The Grayscale Solana Trust also posted a strong day, adding $10.42 million, while Fidelity's FSOL fund logged $2.51 million. Combined, Solana ETF products now hold approximately 6.83 million SOL tokens valued at around $964 million, showing that institutional demand remains elevated even as short-term flows turn uneven. Despite Wednesday's setback, Solana spot ETFs ended the week with a net addition of nearly $103 million, pushing cumulative inflows to $613.22 million and total net assets to $917.99 million. November alone has generated $414.01 million in inflows, surpassing the $199.21 million recorded in October during their debut month. The mixed day for Solana ETFs contrasts with the momentum seen in the newly launched XRP products, which have yet to log a single outflow session. XRP ETFs recorded another $21 million in combined inflows on Wednesday, lifting their cumulative total to $643 million. The Bitwise XRP ETF led with $7.4 million, followed by Canary's XRPC with $5.2 million and roughly $4 million each for Franklin Templeton's XRPZ and Grayscale's GXRP. Elsewhere, Dogecoin ETF performance lagged expectations. The New York Stock Exchange approved the listing of Grayscale's Dogecoin Trust ETF, but the product fell short of analyst estimates, with a debut of only $11 million. Institutional demand lifts Bitcoin ETFs as Solana market indicators turn bearish. Meanwhile, Bitcoin ETFs continued their pattern of modest strength, adding $21.12 million on November 26 despite recent volatility. Total cumulative Bitcoin ETF inflows now stand at $57.63 billion, supported by daily trading volumes above $4.5 billion. Ethereum ETFs also showed improving daily activity late in the month, with inflows above $60 million for 3 consecutive sessions. However, they continue to face sustained net outflows for November, totaling $1.50 billion as investors rotate toward Bitcoin, Solana, and XRP. Analysts monitoring Solana's ETF performance note that the outflow coincides with a period of broader market caution and weakening on-chain activity. According to data from Nansen, there was a 6% decline in active Solana addresses and a 16% drop in network fees over the past week. The total value locked on the network has fallen 32% from its September peak of $13.23 billion, currently standing at roughly $9.1 billion. The slowdown has carried through to major Solana protocols, including Jito, Jupiter, Radium, and Sanctum, each posting double-digit TVL declines this month. Technical readings point to continued uncertainty. Solana is trading within a bearish continuation pattern after retreating from the $170 region earlier in the month. Traders point out the $140 to $145 area as a pivotal zone, with a break below potentially confirming a continuation toward lower support levels. Market strategists say the divergence between strong ETF inflows and weakening spot performance illustrates the broader tension in crypto markets, where institutional accumulation continues even as retail-led selling and cautious sentiment weigh on prices. In the coming days and weeks, analysts expect Solana to remain sensitive to market-wide volatility and ETF flow consistency. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO predicts pre-Thanksgiving ETF surge as Grayscale and Franklin launch XRP. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Everyone's bearish, but one event could flip the entire market around. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Multiple XRP ETFs go live before Thanksgiving. Big money is coming. 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 1 hour ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 15 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 22 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.